I came out to survey a little bit of the damage. The wind has died down a little bit, but it's going to pick up during the day really strong. Look at all those little twigs that are on the ground already.
So like going over there?
I am. But now look, we come over here. Look at all the twigs. And then, ba-boom. Right over there. And what scares me about our tree is we've already had a limb break. Right there. You can see the crack. And this, so I know this tree is pretty much dead. And you can see all the evidence is all over the ground. So this is what scares me about this tree. And that's hanging low. We got strong winds all today, man. And it is really windy out here. Like, we got wind warnings. Let me just show you. Look at our poor flag. Look at down there. I mean, the plus side, the moon is shining. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Look at the clouds just booking it. That is so cool. Now, I am not going to be awake all this time while this happens. So, we're going to be using that boy right there. And it's on. You can see the red light. So, it's recording us, recording you. Okay, you're on my other phone right now, guys. This is what we're dealing with. Hold on. This is on our security camera, guys. Let me just back up a little bit. There you go. So you see, this is what we're dealing with. Clearly, it's very windy. It's just spinning around. There's the street level. Or street, not level. It's on the main level. Okay, let's spin it this way. Now let's go back the other way. And this is the tree I'm concerned about, guys. It's broken once before. Now let's look at the top. Now we're looking right up. This storm is going to be a crazy one. And then we're getting rain with it, guys. The temperature has dropped. It's crazy. Hello, everybody. You got Gordon here. And you got Kristen. Here's the aftermath of our nice storm. We'll walk.
Not too bad.
Not too bad here. Not too bad here. Our driveway got nailed. Here, we'll just walk in the middle of the driveway. We'll let Kristen walk in the... Our driveway's seen better days, guys. Look at all the mess. Especially by midnight, guys. Look at this. Look at all that mess. All the branches. Just waiting for the... Some trees down over there. I want to know where that bucket went. There was a bucket right underneath my door, guys. Oh man, the birds are pooping on it. Some more trees are down. That bucket, that container, I want to know where it went because we'll come back to you in a minute. We got some tree limbs down over here. You can see There's my shadow. Hello, guys. That's Kristen. There's some poops. Here's some more tree limbs. Crazy. Very crazy. The damage. 6 over here. Big one right there. 2 big fat ones right there off that tree. Right there. A lot of 6 right here you can see. I was really concerned about this tree, guys, because we already lost a big limb like that a couple of years back. And that one there was right to the ground, so I'm surprised that one didn't snap. But yeah, this is the damage. So that concludes our windstorm storm chase, whatever you want to call it. A lot of the footage might be from that. But yeah. Like I said,